weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Bay.
हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा सुप्रभातम
Namaste, namaskar,
वणक्कम
खुशामदीद,
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
మీకు అందరికి వందనములు.
सत श्री अकाल
जय स्वामीनारायण.
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जय.
जय स्वामी नारायण
हो गया हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मदद.
याली मदद हो गया कल
नहीं
कल
Never.
No, come on.
मौला अली मदद
Excuse
बोलते
me,
हैं
the
सारे
more-
फीजन भाई
By
बंधुओं को
the way,
बोलेंगे
Father जी,
निसाम बुल्ला.
एक मिनट
Don't talk when I'm talking.
फादर बट लिसन टू मी जब क्या बोलती ना मतलब है कि नो डजंट मैटर यू कैन से इट अगेन
हाँ.
विश इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू कम अगेन फादर रानी
हाँ.
saying like जय स्वामी नारायण more जय स्वामी नारायण for everybody out there
हाँ.
and of course बच्चन आज है आपका गुड मॉर्निंग डे and today of course बच्चन is the second day of our second of India oh my god happens once in the millennium फादर रानी second day of second impeachment of our president 45
हाँ. Second day of second impeachment of President 45. So it's not the second day, the third day.
it's the third day
Yeah.
कल हो गया second day
हाँ.
क्या रे इतने जल्दी
आज Thursday, Tuesday,
2021
Wednesday, Thursday.
Hey, Father, 2021 is running very fast, man. Can we
Yeah.
slow it down a little bit?
No,
No, you don't want to?
no, Alta Baba.
Why?
I want everybody to get vaccinated, everybody to be safe, and I want everybody to be able to come out of isolation.
Okay, Balajan, fine. So, Balajan, today, if at all, you're just planning to step out.
Well,
and-
you know, in a way, actually, Alta Baba, I feel, me at least, for you, I don't know, but I feel that COVID was, in a way, a blessing because it brought so many people closer. You knew who your real,
I always
who
was
really
close to
mattered.
Father, and exactly arms distance from you.
Yeah, and even the parents who are complaining about having their kids suffering, not able to go to school, not able to learn how things are working, and especially for special education students and stuff like that, I still think at the end of the day, towards at least in some Pragna kids, what I've noticed is a lot of them have stayed connected, and our allies and our kids truly started to experience friendship.
Well, but if you really want to see what Pragna is doing, you can actually come one of the events. All the events of Pragna has the same message of integration, Bandhujana, and
Right.
you'll see a beautiful group of individuals on Saturday. If you want to get more information, go to pragna.org. They have the first ever drive-in Valentine. It's the first ever for everything. They're so creative, the wonderful ally group. They have come up with this concept called as drive-in Valentine. I kid you not. Here's what I'm going to do, Bandhujana. In fact, if you're on Facebook right now, let me show you what exactly that thing is. Fatoni,
Yeah.
do we have time for that? Can we quickly?
Yeah, that's
Because I really
fine.
want to know about this particular drive-in Valentine. Go to the Pragna website. I'll show you, Bandhujana, right now. If you're on our Facebook stream, you will see this right now. I actually am going into our section where we can show you the green part of it. Where is? Oh, I'm sorry, Badajan. Here you go. And this is the thing, Badajan. Check it out. You just go here, go to this particular website over here, and if you look at it. Hold on, sorry, Badajan. There you go. That's the website of Pragna. You can actually see this. In fact, let me just zoom to the window and show you exactly what's happening there. If you go here, Badajan, you click on the see, this is the one I talked about. The love is the love article. Oh, I'm sorry, Badajan. I think you're not able to see very clearly. So let me just make sure I can turn this off for you. There you go. That is the website, Badajan. It's called Drive-In Valentine. Go check it out. It's going to be happening Saturday. So if you want more information, you can call the number there, 408-912-2479 for sure. We can give you more information. But this is the place, Badajan. Go check it out. It's called pragna.org. Pe jayega. You can find out the particular Drive-In Valentine there. Isn't it wonderful, Faltani? I just love the fact that they're doing this thing at Pragna.
Yeah.
And thank you, everybody who actually are being a part of this particular initiative of Pragna. Really appreciate all the allies who are working so hard making this happen for everybody out there. Go check it out, pragna.org, and you'll get more information over there for sure. Lekin abhi ke liye I know what you guys are waiting for.
Haha, what are we waiting for, Alta Baba?
You're waiting for traffic update.
It's time for the Bandu Traffic Update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
All right, we're done. So 408-912-2479, and let me tell you what's happening on the roads. Nothing is happening on the roads, Barjan.
What?
Hey, by the way, Barjan, next week is
Random
gonna...
fellow, kuch bhi bolega.
There's no action on the road, Father. It's so wonderful. It's like no traffic, no action, nothing. People experiencing the rains, I suppose. Little bit of backup, as you know, always some kind of backup. But then 92 ke pass mein getting towards north, heading north, a little bit of a congestion, but not at all a big delay. It acts up clearly. Don't worry about that. People actually anticipating rain and staying home, I suppose. Today, the chances of rain was supposed to be 70% Fatwani, but I don't think it's going to happen. Even if it happens, I just want it to rain everything today, tomorrow. I don't want it to be raining at all.
Exactly.
Saturday, they say that the chance of rain has dropped a little bit.
Huh. Really?
So yeah. It was,
Yes. No rain.
But let it rain today.
Yeah.
आज बारिश बरसने दो
अरे
बरसने दो बारिश बरसने दो पर let me tell you आज जैसे बरसेगा आप लोग ना Saturday आने के लिए तरसेंगे. Just kidding, but sorry about that. But traffic update was that. The weather update क्या बता? It's going to be like cloudy today all day. Probably some chance of rain. The afternoon part of it, a little bit later part of the evening, we might have some rain as well. But Friday is going to be kind of partly cloudy. Tomorrow is going to be partly cloudy, and Sunday is going to be partly cloudy as well. I'm not talking about Saturday. I'm going to ignore the whole thing, saying that there are going to be chances of rain there because our event is going to happen on Saturday, Banajan.
That's right, Banajan.
Rain or shine, we'll be there.
Yes, and even if it rains, it'll be in that mood, right? साजिश है बूंदों की वो क्या कुछ ऐसा कोई गाना है, right? फना मूवी का
देखो ना देखो ना. Hey, Father, even if there's rain, don't worry. I will bring sunshine.
Yeah. Otherwise, you can also, if you're in the mood, Banajan, you can do आज रपट जाए तो हमें.
Banajan, I'll tell you one thing. In my case, you should know this. No matter how much of cloud overcast we have, I will always have sunshine with me, Banajan.
Yes, Banajan.
Yes, I got sunshine lazing on my bed.
That's his
my
dog.
dog, Banajan. गर्मी आ गई खटकती धूप में भी I will always have Banajan. I have shadow with me as well. So
yeah.
मेरे पास दोनों है. The yin and the yang of the universe is there with me, Banajan. Anyway, that's fine. Now Banu's actually saying, okay, Altu Baba, thank you for the wonderful update. How about we try to see how well Faltoni does with the headlines for us?
Former Republican officials are now in talks to form an anti-Trump third party. Democrats are going to be focusing on the terrible toll of the Capitol riot, in the Trump impeachment trial. Graphic videos are not graphic enough to convict Trump, says some Republican senators. Who are they? We'll bring that for you shortly. Vaccinated people. Good news for you, you need not quarantine post-COVID-19 exposure, CDC says. CDC is also going to be issuing new COVID-19 guidelines for schools by Friday, according to the White House. Nancy Pelosi aims to finish the COVID-19 relief bill by this month end. Los Angeles Super Bowl is going to aim to bring back hope. So next year, by the Super Bowl, they're saying that it's, everything is going to be returning back to the way things were in pre-COVID world. Executors of Jeffrey Epstein's estate have been accused of complicity by U.S. Virgin Islands. Bitcoin surges to an all-time high after BNY Mellon embraces cryptocurrencies. In terms of technology news, SAP is buying no-code specialist AppGyver in Cloud Push. Volkswagen taps Microsoft's cloud to develop self-driving software. And of course, India warns US social media firms after a dispute with and for tech workers in the Valley and also across the United States, Joe Biden is seeking more foreign workers while skirting the H-1B visa uproar. And in news from India, Amit Shah declares that the Citizenship Amendment Act will be implemented after COVID vaccination ends. And at the Singhu border, farmers are improving facilities and infrastructure to prepare for a more prolonged protest. More on all of that will be coming up shortly.
Right now, Manja, let's go and check out what's happening with our Gana Akida. And the Gana Akida for you guys is from the movie called One and Two Not Out, starring Amitabh Bachchan and the late Rishi Kapoor Saab. A nice song talking about why you should not get tensed. Hey, Parrot! Tere pe bara mat baja re. Hey, pyare! Tere pe bara mat baja re. Sarangi lamho ke gubbare. Khuli hawaon mein udane. Hey, yara samajh le ishara. Kya bole tumba? Masti mein jeele zumba zumba. Adanda zumba. Yaar majh le ishara.
जा कमर हिला के हैप्पी हैप्पी हो जा कहना तू मान ले मेरा ये समझ ले इशारा क्या बोले तुम मस्ती में जी ले जुम्बा जुम्बा हरदम तू है परेशान फूल स्टेशन की तू है दुखा तेरी समस्या का नो समाधान तू दुखी है तू दुखी है तू है दुखी आत्मा श्रीमान सर पर टेंशन का टाइम बाउंस रहना है तेरा काम तेरी लाइफ एक वेबसाइट का फॉर्म नाम है जिसका चिंता.com चिंता.com बुढ़िया रहने दे चूरन वाली बुढ़िया अपना ले नुस्खा मेरा बढ़िया तन मन में छूटेगी फुलझड़ियां यार समझ ले इशारा क्या बोले तुम मस्ती में जी ले जुम्बा जुम्बा सर से गिरा दे फिकर का बोझा कमर हिला के
Happy, happy हो जा कहना तू मान ले मेरा Badajan कह लीजिए भैया and of course make sure you can come and book your slot for the Valentine's this Saturday Badajan just a few more slots remaining Badajan you know it's limited there are 3 showings of this एक
Right.
नहीं 2 नहीं 3 show है Badajan matinee first show and the second show Badajan
आल्टो बाबा ऐसे इतने showings क्यों हैं आल्टो बाबा?
क्योंकि we are following the COVID protocol, Badajan. We're making sure we have followed all the protocols in terms of safety, wise wearing the PPE, that is PPEs, it's called the personal protection.
Correct.
And also maintaining the physical distancing, Badajan, is very important for us.
Right.
Maintaining 6 feet distance in between is very, very important, and keeping a quarantine within your own small bubble of a
Correct.
Now, if you have a comfortable car, great. If you don't have a comfortable, it doesn't matter. Get the car, park it there, and you can sit outside the table. Yeah, this is what it's going to be all about. It's going to be about having fun, enjoying some nice, wonderful, activities and stuff like that. At the same time, build some nice, sweet memories and go back home.
Yeah.
And you can look back on that and say, oh wow, what a wonderful thing we did 13th. Let's try to do better. You can do it on 14th also. That's what happens. It gives you something to do better then. Always try to better yourself. Now that was the Gane Akida. It comes to you guys. Thanks to me, of course. I have songs for you guys so you can enjoy. But right now, Bhajan, what's going to happen is we're going to get you news updates on Media Mahima's news desk, and that's compiled for you by our Falturani. Falturani, what's news?
All right. Before I go into anything else, I'm going to tell you, Alto Baba. Do you know what's the new busiest air travel route right now? No, it's not Dubai to London. It's not Kuala Lumpur to Singapore.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Baralago.
No, Orlando to San Juan. Yes, it's considered an international travel route. Why? I don't know. Maybe people are wanting to go to Mexico. I have no idea. Anyway, let me go into the impeachment trial, Badajan. The second day of former President Trump's impeachment trial brought on more upsetting footage and accounts of the January's Capitol riot.
It's not sufficient to actually do it. I think the footage is like just, they're trying to appease the audience who got you hooked to all these kind of drama on Netflix and OTTs. That's what I'm trying to appease to. I think
It's very graphic video, very graphic content. There's a lot of explicit language, but they're saying that they need that to prove their point. The third day of Donald Trump's Senate impeachment trial got underway today with the Democrats who are making the case for his conviction for inciting the deadly rampage at the U.S. Capitol, set to focus on damage wrought by the rampage and the former president's role in inflaming the rioters. What?
I'm just trying to sing a song, Patrani. But actually, my point is, but it does not prove that actually he incited it, right? Why does it keep saying, yeah, all the acts of violence they showed and all is fine. I agree with you. I feel sorry. My goodness, they do so much of it around the world. They shake the governments and everything. Now they actually get a taste of whatever they do, right?
Yeah.
So the point I'm making is, where does it show that Trump actually told them? It doesn't show anywhere. There's no text proof. There's no Twitter proof. There's nothing that way. It's just the account of the people just saying, oh,
there is proof. He clearly said, even in the evening, he sent out a tweet saying, we love you. Go back in peace.
Aww,
okay,
so
and then
sweet.
he also said, this is what you expect.
He's a commander in peace.
Yeah.
Oh, so sweet.
Oh, God. Pieces. He drove our democracy to pieces almost.
Oh my
Anyway,
God.
as the Senate...
Anti-Trumpster.
Wait. As the Senate reconvened on Thursday, the 9 House of Rep lawmakers serving as prosecutors plan to illustrate the riot's terrible toll and Trump's role in assembling, inciting, and inflaming the insurrectionists, a House aide said before the sessions began. And a Democratic-led House on Jan 13th charged the Republican former president with inciting the insurrection by exhorting thousands of supporters to march on the Capitol on Jan 6th as Congress gathered to certify Democrat Joe Biden's election win. Now, here is the thing, right? Despite all the graphic videos and the explicit content that people are they're showing, the House of Reps Democrats have been showing in this impeachment trial, some of the senators, like Republican Senator Ted Cruz, say that's not enough. Today's presentation was powerful and emotional, reliving a terrorist attack on our nation's capital, but there was very little said about how specific conduct of the president satisfies a legal standard. Convicting Trump would require the votes of 2/3 of the 100 members, as we've been saying all along, from the Senate, meaning that at least 17 Republicans have to join all 48 Democrats and 2 independents who caucus with them. The Senate on Tuesday voted in a 56-44 vote and rejected an attempt to declare this trial as an unconstitutional attempt because Trump left office when his term ended on Jan 20th. So they're trying to hush it up and say, no, let's not go through with this. But seriously, I think the Democrats, although there's been a lot of talk about why they're doing this, why should they go ahead and do this, there's a very specific reason that they're doing it, Vanajan. They're saying that they want to make an example that nobody is above the law. And they want to make an example out of this. And I sincerely hope that if there is cause to prove, and if it is proven that he incited the insurrection, which he himself has done, I mean, it's pretty evident, everybody to see, then he should be held accountable for it.
Well, you should learn from, you should learn from history. I would say that. Why do we have historians, Faltwani?
Because we need to learn from our mistakes.
And not repeat it, right?
Yeah.
So what happened what happened with the Hitler, right?
No.
The first thing was he did an insurrection.
Yeah.
It failed. And guess what happened afterwards?
Yeah.
Germany decided to take it easy on him and let him slide. Let it slide.
Yeah.
And then what happened? Yeah, exactly, Banjam. Please don't let this repeat again, is what I'm telling all the people, of course. I'm sorry, guys. You are listening to that now, but we're actually appealing to all the lawmakers who are there sitting there and just... Okay, anyway, I don't want to say anything. I have a different thing on the people, lawmakers also there. But anyways, the politics is politics.
Yeah. People who received the full course of the COVID-19 vaccines can skip the standard 14-day quarantine after exposure to someone with the infection as long as they remain asymptomatic, U.S. public health officials advised. Yeah, I'm getting those today. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said on Wednesday the vaccines have been shown to prevent symptomatic COVID-19, thought to play a great in the transmission of the virus as opposed to the asymptomatic disease. So if you want to get more information, you can go to mediamahima.com. The Federal Centers for Disease Control and Prevention also plan to issue new guidelines for U.S. schools reopening on Friday. White House coronavirus advisor Andy Slavitt said reopening schools is a top priority for the Biden administration, who has stressed he wants it done safely and has supported vaccinations for teachers.
Yay!
So the top U.S. health agency has been working on a new set of guidelines to meet the challenges that school districts face across the country. Tomorrow, the CDC is going to roll out their operating plan to give school districts, local communities, the guidance that they need to begin to do that and to begin that aggressively, Slavitt said on Thursday. In the meanwhile, Nancy Pelosi is busy. She said on Thursday that she expects lawmakers to complete legislation based on President Joe Biden's $1.9 trillion COVID-19 relief bill by the end of February. As House committees work to cobble this particular sweeping bill into place, Pelosi predicted the legislation would become law before enhanced unemployment benefits expire in mid-March, and said an address by Biden to a joint session of Congress would come after the measure is done. And following the first Super Bowl of the COVID-19 era, Bandhujan, and with vaccine distribution on the rise, preparations are underway to make next year's game in Los Angeles a triumphant return to normal. Sunday's championship game in Tampa and the week leading up to it were unlike any before, with no wacky opening media night, no highly anticipated concert on the eve of the big game, and just 25,000 mask-wearing fans in the stands. Yet, those involved for next year's game are optimistic that by kickoff on Feb 6th, the good times are going to be rolling back in, and social distancing will be a thing of the past. So, we don't know. Let's see. Executors of Jeffrey Epstein's estate were accused on Wednesday of being the indispensable captains of the financial sex trafficking scheme, escalating a legal battle that could delay compensation for Epstein's victims. In tech news, Bitcoin on Thursday jumped over 8% to an all-time high of 48,481 after Bank of New York Mellon said it had formed a new unit to help clients hold, transfer, and issue digital assets. The new unit at BNY Mellon, called the Digital Assets Unit, is expected to roll out the offerings later this year, the bank said.
How melancholic.
Oh, no, God. It is not melancholic. It's good news.
Well, people don't never bought Bitcoin. Melancholic news,
That's
right?
true. That's actually
Wow,
true.
people are like, oh my god,
40,000?
I should have bought it with $2,000.
Yeah, it even dropped to 1,000, remember?
It did?
Yeah, long time ago.
I'm telling you, man, it's a bubble. It'll burst soon.
Yeah. Business software group SAP said on Thursday that it had acquired AppGyver, a specialist in no-code development platforms that make it possible for users to build web applications without having to know how to code. You could get more information about that on MediaMahima.com. And in news from India, Bandhujan, I have to share this news with you. This is for foreign workers, especially H-1B visa workers. Joe Biden's immigration overhaul seeks to allow more skilled foreign workers into the U.S. without stirring protest from labor groups, whose opposition would all but ruin prospects for what is already the president's most precarious priorities. The sweeping bill Biden sent to Congress on his first day in office drew Republican opposition over its centerpiece, a fast path to citizenship for 11 million undocumented immigrants in the United States. Another provision would allow for more foreign students and workers to enter the United States by increasing the number of employment-based green cards. So, you can actually get the details of this proposal that he sent out, Bandhujan, where he is saying that the caps on the H-1B visa programs for high-skilled workers and skilled tech workers need to be removed. But anyway, you can get more information about that by going to MediaMahima.com. Actually, that's almost all the time that we have, Bandhujan. We knew that we will have more updates for you on whatever happened today, if there is anything else. Now, I just got a breaking news update that the Proud Boys group, right? The white supremacist group Altu Baba, 6 of them have been arrested in a terrorist operation. So you could get more information on all of that on MediaMahima.com. We'll see you tonight live at 5 on the Pam Pam Show. Have yourselves a beautiful day. And if you want to listen to good music, download the Radio D Hotties app. Keep it right here on Radio D Hotties.
मंदिर में झीले जुम्बा जुम्बा सर से गिरा दे फिकर का बोझा कमर हिला के हैप्पी हैप्पी हो जा